train left the station and traveled at a rate of 40 miles per hour. 2 hours later, a second train left the station and followed the first at the rate of 60 miles per hour. Ibig sabihin, mas mabilis yung pangalawang train. Pero nauna na yung unang train ng 2 oras. Pero mas mabagal siya, 40 miles per hour. How many miles from the station could the second train overtake the first? Kailan niya ma-overtake? Kailan mag-i-equal ang kanilang distance? Una, ang rate nung una is 40 miles per hour. Ang second train is 60 miles per hour. Ang time nung una is x plus 2. Bakit? May additional ng 2 hours. Yung isa, kakalis lang, so x. The distance, pag multiply mo yon, that is 40 times x plus 4. And then the other one is 60 times x or 60x. Nakuha. Ngayon, from that formula, or from that given distance value, yung distance nung una is equal dun sa distance nung pangalawa. Kailan sila magiging equal? So, 40 x plus 2 is equal to 60x. Ngayon yung 40, di-distribute mo, ito yon. That is 40 times x is 40x. 40 times 2 is 80. And that is equal to 60x. 40. Ililipat natin sa kabila. Nakuha? So, ang naiwan ay 80. 80 is equal to 60x minus 40. Kasi nag-transpose tayo, lumipat siya. So, 80 is equal to 20x. Paano matatanggal yung 20? Divide both side by 20. I-divide mo ito by 20. Divide mo ito by 20. 80 divide by 20. 4. So, ang sagot natin is 4 miles. Okay? Ang sagot, how many miles from the station could the second train overtake the first? 4 miles. How many liters of 10% salt solution should be added na dapat idagdag sa 80 liters of 35% salt solution to obtain a mixture that is 30% salt solution? Okay? So, una, i-represent natin yan. Ito, X liters. Hindi natin alam kung anong gaano karami yan. Pero 10% salt solution yan. May 10% na asin na nakahalo dyan. Plus, 80 liters na ang nakalagay na asin is 35 liters. Ilan ang ihalo mo dyan sa 80 liters para makuha mo yung 30% na salt solution? So, ito ang magiging equation natin. Ito ang magiging equation natin. 0.10, alam niyo yung 0.10, that is 10%. 0.10 of x plus 0.35, kasi 35% of 80 is equal to 0.30 times x plus 80. Kapag kumukuha kayo ng percentage, dapat, halimbawa, 10% of 100, i-multiply nyo yung 100 by 0.10. Ganon din dito. So, 0.10 x plus 0.35 times 80 is 28. Nakuha. Using your calculator. Equals 0.30x plus 0.30 times 80 is 24. I-distribute mo ito. Ito, i-distribute mo 0.30, 30x, 0.30 of 80 is 24. Nakuha. So, ang natira is 20, 28. Ililipat mo itong 24. Nakuha ba? Ano nangyari sa sign niya? Naging negative. 0.30x, ililipat mo yung 0.10. Ano nangyari sa sign? Negative 0.10. Okay? So, 28 minus 24 is 4. 0.30 minus 0.10 is 0.20. Divide both by 0.20. Ano makukuha mo? X equals 20 liters of 10% solution. Kaya palagi nating sinusulat dito kung ano yung question para malaman ninyo kung anong susulat niyo dito. Wow. Okay, so that's all for now. Jen invested $5,000. She earned 14% on the part of her investment and 6% on the rest. Okay? If she earned a total of $396 for each year, for the year, how much did she invest in each rate? Nag-invest daw si Jen. 5,000 ang gamit niya. Mga equivalent niyan sa peso, pag i-convert natin yan, kasi yung $1,000, 5,000 yon. So, mga approximately, ano yan, nasa 100,000 yan, may get. Mga nasa 200,000 may get. Okay. Kumita daw siya sa 14%. Dalawang investment niya. 14% invest niya dito, 6% dito. Within a year, kumita siya ng 396. How much did she invest in each rate? Magkano ang ininvest niya sa each rate? Kasi 6% at 14%. Nandito sa table, tingnan nyo itong table. Quiet. Itong rate niya, merong 0.14. 14% kasi yung isa, correct? Yung 6%, 0.06. Nakuha ba? Amount invested is X dito. Kasi hindi natin alam kung ilan yung ininvest niya sa 14%. Basta yung buong investment niya is 5,000. Dito naman sa 6%, 5,000 minus X. Kasi hindi natin alam kung ilan ang ginamit niya dun sa 5,000 para sa 14% at 6%. Para makuha yung earned, 0.14 times X is 0.14. 0.06 times X, or this one, is 0.06 times 5,000 minus X. Ngayon, ang bubuin nating equation, from the word equal, dapat may equal yan. 0.14X, ito yon, plus 0.06 times 5,000 minus X equals 396. Saan nakuha itong 396? Ito yon, yung total na kinita niya. Nakuha ba? Okay? So dito, 0.14x plus 0.06 times 5,000 minus x is equal to 396. Itong 0.06, i-multiply mo sa 5,000. What is 0.06 times 5,000? 300. 300 na lalabas. Tapos 0.06 times x is negative 0.06x. Okay? Dinistribute mo lang yan. Nakuha ba? Equals 396. Ngayon, 0.06 at or 0.14 at 0.06, yan ang pagsasamahin natin. Kasi pareho silang may x. Ito, 300. Lilipat sa kabila. Nakuha ba? Bakit naging negative yung 300 dito? Kasi lumipat sa kabila. 0.14 minus 0.06 is 0.14 minus 0.06. Anong lalabas? 0.08. Dito, 396 minus 300 is 96. I-divide mo to by 0.08, magiging 1. I-divide mo to by 96 divided by 0.08. So, 96 divided by 0.08. 1,200. Ibig sabihin, 1,200 ang ininvest niya sa 14%. Ngayon, 5,000 minus 1,200 is... So, ang answer, $1,200 at 14% at 3,800 at 6%. Okay, so a tank is drained by two pipes. One pipe can empty the tank in 30 minutes while the other can empty in 25 minutes. If the tank is 5/6 filled and both pipes are open, at what time will the tank be emptied? So, ang question dyan, yung tangke ng tubig. Meron siyang dalawang pipes. One pipe, yung unang pipe, kaya niyang i-drain yung buong tangke sa loob ng 30 minutes. While the other tank or the other pipe can empty it in 25 minutes. Mas mabagal or mas mabagal yung una. Mas mabilis yung pangalawa. Sabi diyan, hindi naman puno yung tangke kundi 5 and 6 filled. Both pipes are open. Bukas yung dalawang pipes. At what time will the tank be emptied? Anong oras matatapos o mauubusan ng tubig yung tangke? Again, gagamit ulit tayo ng formula R times T is equal to work. Yung rate niya is 1/30. Kasi time over W. So, 30 or 1/30. Ang rate ng second is 1/25. Now, dito natin maintindihan. So, yung una, the equation na mabubuo natin is 1/30 plus 1/25 kasi bukas silang dalawa times yung x, number of hours na magkasama silang, number of hours na matatapos silang dalawa yon. Yung x is equal to 5/6. Kasi hindi naman puno yung tangke, kundi 5/6. Ngayon, yung 1/30 plus 1/25, ang least common denominator nila is 150. Correct? 150. Yan yung number na makakadivide sa 1/30 at 25. So, 150 divided by 30 times 1 is 5. 150 divided by 25 times 1 is 6. So, ganun tayo plus. Okay? May quantity dyan. Times x equals 5/6. Ngayon, 5 plus 6 is 11. Teka. Okay? 11. 11 times, okay, 11/150 times x is 11x over 150 equals 5/6. 5/6. Anong gagawin natin para makuha natin yung value ng x? Cross multiply. Ito ay pwede mong i-multiply dyan. Ito pwede mong i-multiply dyan. So, ito, 6 times 11 is 66x. 150 times 5 is 750. Paano natin matatanggal yung 66 dyan? Okay, very good. Divide this by 66. Divide this by 66. Ang value ng x natin is 11 po. Kasi 750 divided by 66 is 11.36 minutes. Nakuha ba yan? So, minutes kasi ang ano natin, unit natin.